Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change your Joomla admin password using phpMyAdmin. And how can you do that? First, you enter phpMyAdmin from cpanel or any another panel. I am testing it on my localhost, so I will show you. And this is my database, JDEP. So I will click on it. So let's next steps. So go to users table. So we will find for users table from here. It can be next part, and this is just users. Here is users table. I will click on it, and you see here is a called name super user and username admin and email my email, and I will try to change it. So we will follow next step. Click on any administrator account. So we will get our administrator account here. So next part is go to password field, and we will click edit option from here. Then we will go for password field, and from password I just put any password, like I just put here admin. And one more thing I have to do, from here I have to choose MD5. This is MD5. Then I will click for go. So now I am on my admin account, and I just try admin. Yes, now see, it works. This is how you can change your admin password using phpMyAdmin. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.